Sophie, Bay. Oh, there you are. All right, hey, I get a lot of comments about my height. We are back at the creek, guys. Got the his and her ultralights out. Got some more little hair jigs. Got us another beautiful spot here at a low water bridge. We're gonna try to catch some fish, so y'all hang out with us. Kick back for some ultralight creek fishing, and we will see y'all when we hook up. Oh, little bitty guy, little smallmouth. Hey buddy, look at that little bitty beautiful smallmouth. Awesome.
Oh my gosh.
We're gonna get the case put in the, get the GoPro put in the case and get some underwater release on this guy. So y'all hang out just a second. Huge. Get the net.
Get the net. Honey.
Oh, that's a big bass.
Get the net.
Oh.
This is not a smallmouth though.
That's a very beautiful creek bass. Oh, that's a nice one.
Look at that fat thing. This is a largemouth though.
Yeah, maybe a little spotted bass.
Oh, you think?
Yeah.
Oh, this is like a largemouth.
They're beautiful.
I don't know the identifiers.
The tooth patch on his tongue. Oh no, it's a little.
It's a largemouth.
Yeah.
He's fat though. This is a female. Thank you, buddy. Okay.
Oh, feisty.
You scared me.
Oh, I got one. Yep.
Yeah?
No, it's a
Sunfish?
big old fat sunfish.
Oh, wow, baby.
Fat sunfish. Look at that guy.
Got one.
Oh.
Got off.
Oh.
Huge.
Huge. Goodness.
Not compared to that one.
Oh, let's get it side by side though.
Okay.
That's a beautiful green sunfish. Same with yours, some kind of bluegill.
Thank you, buddy.
Yep, thank you, bud. Yours was much more peaceful.
I like seeing them swim away. I think it's cool.
Yeah. Little bitty smallie out of the current.
Awesome.
Oh, buddy. Hey. Dude's going crazy.
I think it's good.
Uh-oh. Is it a big fish?
Nope, just ultralight.
Doubled up again.
I got a sunfish though. Or a
little smallmouth and a green sunfish.
okay.
All right, buddy.
You want me to release it? Or you
Yeah.
want to?
All right. There goes Sophie's. There goes mine.
What, right back where he was.
See you later, buddy. Oh, what is that little guy? What is that?
I don't know.
He's dark. Dark colored, whatever he is.
Is it just a dark sunfish?
Yeah.
That's about the size of that other one.
That thing is gorgeous, like a hybrid. Thing's got some stripes on it.
It's dark. It's still a sunfish though, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh,
See the stripes on that thing, guys?
oh yeah, right there?
Yeah,
Yeah.
beautiful sunfish.
It's nice. It's pretty, whatever it is.
It is pretty. Ooh, there he went. I went to a smaller jig.
You did?
Yeah.
I think mine's the same size. Oh. You're thinking I have something.
Gotcha. Yep. Oh, that's a big old.
Oh my gosh.
Big old bluegill.
Oh my goodness.
Look at that slab. Oh, he is beat up.
Let me see.
Dude has seen better days. Look at that tail.
Oh yeah. Wow.
He's missing a whole piece of his tail.
I see that.
Poor guy. All right, buddy. That's on the 1/64 ounce, I believe.
Oh, really?
Yep.
Yeah.
Corey, be proud. Thank you, buddy. Oh, there he went. I think it's either 1/64 or the 32nd. Actually, I think this is a 32nd. Yeah.
What's
Well,
mine? Mine's a.
Here's a 16th. Oh no, yours is a 32nd
Mine's
also.
32nd too.
All right, we both got 32nd ounce jigs
Mine's an
on
eagle
now.
claw though, and this is one that we catapulted.
Yeah, this is a must add. One of our good hooks.
I'm not going to tell you right now, but it's not waiting.
Oh,
You got one here?
it's pretty good. There's a bluegill or something.
Okay.
Jeez, that thing's big.
Oh wow.
Look at the size of that big old sunfish. All right, got him unpegged. Get him back in the water. There he goes. What is that? Something's in the water over here. It's a little fish. It's a little bitty fish. No, we hadn't even caught it today. Whoa.
What's wrong with it?
I don't know. Here, hold this. Yeah, I'm gonna look and see what's going on.
He might be stuck. He might not get out of there.
I think he is stuck.
Well, pick him up, hurry.
Look at this, guys.
Is there anything wrong with him?
I don't see anything.
Let me
Ooh, he ain't got an eyeball.
Let me see.
He definitely got something wrong with him.
Let me see.
He ain't got an eyeball.
He probably got. Bless him. He's living. Let's put him on here. That's that dark sunfish, right?
Yeah, he ain't got no eyes.
He's been pecked because he probably was stuck.
Turned into a rescue mission. See if he swims off here in the open water.
I think he'll live.
I think he's blind.
In one eye. What about his other eye? He's swimming in a circle.
He may be on his way out.
Alright guys, that's it for this episode. Hope you enjoyed it, and stay tuned for other fishing adventures.
Thank y'all.